Welcome to Abbey Repairs. Over time, double-glazed units, be they windows, doors or conservatories, like anything, they can become the worse for wear. Now obviously, the best thing to do is to get a brand new one. However, not only can we supply you with replacement items, we can, in many instances, carry out repairs. From a broken handle to broken glass, from double glazing that's messed it up, to replacing seals that have failed. No matter what the issue, we can provide the solution, and for less than you might think. We can also assist when it comes to repairing locks, or replacing them with something altogether more secure. And if the fur baby of the house wants to come and go as he or she pleases, cat and dog flaps, we can install those too. A family-run business since 1994, we go from strength to strength, chiefly on word-of-mouth recommendation. So what are you waiting for? Fully insured, with no call-out charge, free estimates and all work guaranteed. Make Abbey Repairs your #1 choice.